Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an area meeting list. First thing we need to do is browse to recoveryispossible.us. In the address box at the end we're going to type WP-ADMI, which will prompt us for a login screen to the administrative dashboard for our WordPress site. Here we enter our credentials. Say login. And here we are at the dashboard. And what we want to do is go to the media library. So we're going to upload the meeting list into the meeting library so that we can use it in some posts and reference it from our menu. So here we're going to go up to Add New, and we're going to select a file from our desktop, and I have to find the right folder. And there we are. And the correct meeting list is meeting list April 2017.pdf. We're going to select that and say open. And it's going to be uploading. 100% uploaded. Now it's going to crunch. And now it's uploaded because we can see the edit link over here. So what we want to do, once we've uploaded that, is what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go open another tab and again browse to recoveryispossible.us. I'll show you 3 places that we have access to the meeting list. Several places, I'm not sure how many places, but there's several places we need to make some changes. So right here in the meeting list menu, there's a drop down that says March 2017 revision 1. So we need to change this menu to point to the new meeting list that we uploaded. Also, if we click on the heading meeting list, take us to a page that will give us links to 2 different meeting lists. And the first meeting list is download and print the standard meeting list. So this list that's what's underlined is actually a link to the meeting list. And we want that to link to the current meeting list, the one that we just uploaded. And down here, check out our alternative meeting list. Links to, again, our alternative meeting list is populated from data directly from the Greater New York area database. If you watch one of the previous films, you've seen how to edit and create new meeting lists in that database. And this makes it easier. So if we started using this alternative list someday, we wouldn't have to edit a PDF to get our current list, which I showed you in another film, and it's very tedious and time consuming. So, and the third thing is we'll create this link as well. So we've got the menu, we've got the list link, and then we have this display here that we're going to point to our new uploaded meeting list. So in order to do that, we need to go to our media library. Once we're in the media library, we click on view for the meeting list that we want, for the new meeting list that we just uploaded. And then we're going to click on the image. Confirm this is the new meeting list. We'll look at April 2017 and see. And then we're going to go up to the address box and copy and copy the entire address, and we're going to back arrow, take us back to our administrative site. Okay, back at the administrative site, we want to go, there's two different ways. We can go to look at the pages right here and find the page that has links to our meeting list, or we could actually just go directly to that page, which is easy to get at. So if I back arrow here, I'd like to open a new tab and then start from the home page of our site. And right here I'll click on meeting list. And now if I scroll down on this page, because I'm already logged, a link right here. Now I can go in and edit from here, and as soon as I'm finished doing this, I'll show you the other way to find this page, but this is the easier way for me. Okay, so we're going to edit two things on this page. The link to the list, which is right here. So I basically click on it and I go over to the little pencil, which is the edit, and I can paste in that address that I had just gotten from our new meeting list, and then I can say apply, click apply, and that's good. Now that's taken care of. Now also down here is the embedded meeting list, so we want to change that to point to the new one. So I believe what we need to do is we can delete this one, and we can add media, highlight the meeting list that we just uploaded, and over in the bottom right, click insert into page, and it's going to insert a link into the page, which will come up shortly. And there's a link to our new April 2017 meeting list. So we've gotten this list, and we've gotten the embedded link here, and then we're good for this page. So we're going to go over to the right. You can preview if you want. I'm pretty confident that this is correct, so I'm just going to go ahead and say update. Now there's one other place that we need to change the link, and that is in the drop down menu from the main page. So we're going to wait till this finishes updating. Okay, it's finished updating. So now what I like to do while I'm in this tab is I can go over here and see a drop down. It says visit the site, so I can click on this. It's going to take me back to the home page of our site, which is a good starting place for me. Now what we want to change next is this right here. So what I like to do is go back to the admin. There's several ways to do that, but I'll show you the easiest way. And I'm going to scroll down to appearance. And appearance shows us a bunch of different options. And the option that we're looking for is you can go into customize and get at the menu that way, but it's a little more cumbersome. I like to go into the appearance menus right here and click on that. Okay, so now if we wanted to add something to the menu structure is over here on the right, and here you can basically, you can left you can select different pages or posts that you can add to the menu. I can select on posts right here, and it shows me my recent posts. So if I just highlighted, if I just checked one of these, it would add it to the menu. But in this case, I already have the link copied into my clipboard. So what I'm just going to do is add a custom link and paste the URL to our new meeting list. And the link text is going to be April 2017 meeting list, I believe. Let me jump over here real quick to see how that's labeled. No, just April 2017 is all I need. April 2017, and I'm going to say add it to the menu. What it's going to do is add it to the menu over here on the right, but it's going to be down in the bottom. So what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom, and I'll show you a couple different ways of doing this too. So there it is. So what we can do now is just drag this up, drop it where it should go, and we'll just keep going up till we see, there we go, meeting list. So I'm going to drop it right here, and I'm going to show you the other way that we could have done that is not added a menu. We could have just went in here and pasted this, which is probably the easier way. I'm just showing you a different variety of ways to do the same thing. April 2017, and and then we can say so either way, the way you can add the menu, or you could just modify the address in the current one that was there and change the title. So we're going to go with the one I added, and I'm just going to remove this one. And remember that you got to scroll either up or down and to the right. Click on Save Menu to save this menu. Click over here. Refresh this page. Go back to the menus here. So this menu is updated. We can scroll down and we can find, there's our April meeting list link. Now, while this is still spinning, I'm going to go over here and show you the other way to get at the meeting list page. I'm going to go into all pages. And two ways. I can search for it here, or I can just, page through looking for the page called meeting list. And what I think I'm going to do is just search for it. It's much quicker. Just going to type meeting, search pages. Excuse me. And right here, meeting list page. So I can click on that. And there's our meeting list page where we made the changes to the list and added the new embedded form meeting list. And so let's go click back over here and confirm that our links were correct. So now we can see April 27th. We'll click on that. And there we go, April 2017. So go back to the page once more. So that's one link that's correct. And now we'll go back to the meeting list. And we're going to click on the meeting list and go to the root page. And click on this link, because this is the other link that we changed. Click on that. Make sure it goes to the newly updated meeting list. And it does, April 2017. So go back arrow. And one other thing we want to confirm is that the embedded list is the correct one on this page. And there we go, April 2017. So all three links are correct, and that's how you upload an area meeting list. Thanks for watching. Bye.